Hi, my name is Adrienne Markworth, Executive Director of Leah's Pantry. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Stay Healthy and Waste Less. If you're a resident of San Mateo County, watch all the way till the end of the video and we'll share a link so you can redeem your $6 produce voucher at a local farmer's market.
Hi, today we're going to make eggs with healthy leftovers. Our first ingredients is eggs. Our second ingredient is cream cheese. And you need a bowl, a fork, salt, and some pepper. And you can use butter. You can also use ham if you want, whatever you want. Our leftovers, which you have to cut them up into small pieces, like that. Also need a pan with the working stove. But first, I'm going to crack the eggs into the bowl with the cream cheese. If it's for one person, you should probably do at least 3. Then you're going to...
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
All right. Then you add the salt and pepper. Not too much salt, the pepper.
Other way.
It's good. It's time for mixing. And if you're wondering about the cream cheese, if it's frozen and it's not mixing in, once you pour it, it will dissolve. Then you would spray or put butter on. Turn on the stove. Wait for a little bit, like 30 seconds, and the eggs. Try to let all of it drip in. And take like a spatula or something to use to mix it around. So wait for the eggs for a little bit, then it'll kind of become squishy, but not like goo. Once it kind of gets a little hard, but there's like a tiny bit of goo, you would add this, but not yet. You might want to put a little bit of olive oil before you put in veggies. Mix it up. Put in the veggies. That. Now, all the veggies are in. We put a little bit of olive oil. We made them all scrambled. Now, you're done. And go turn off the stove. And that's how you make eggs with leftover veggies.